Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the introduction to herbal medicine, the first topic of the subject, herbal drug technology, BP603T. So first of all, let us have a look at very few of the definitions which we usually encounter throughout the subject of herbals. So first of all, let us see that how do we define herbs. So what are herbs? Consists of the entire plant of or any part of the plant like leaves, flowers, fruits, roots, rhizomes, bark, tubes, stems and branches. So herbs consist of any of the plant, the entire plant or the individual parts of the plant. Then what is herbal drug? These consist of plants or any part of the plants, usually in unprocessed or crude forms, the crude drugs, which have the medicinal value. Their constituents and therapeutic activity may be known or unknown. Then, what are herbal medicinal products? It includes various herbal formulations like tablets, syrups, capsules, semi-solid dosage form, etc. So there are a number of herbal formulations that can be prepared from the herbs or from the plants. So these are known as the herbal medicinal products. Fixed combination. It includes herbal medicinal products which contain more than one herbal drug preparation. Now, what do we mean by herbal drug preparation? So, they are the processed form of herbs. They are derived from the herbal drugs via various techniques such as extraction, fractionalization, purification, concentration, fermentation, which may be in the form of powders, extracts, tinctures, fixed oils, volatile oils, resins, and gums. It means that the crude drug has undergone a number of techniques such as number of processes such as extraction, purification, concentration, fractionalization, fermentation, which leads to the formation of a number of herbal drug preparations like powders, extract, tinctures, fixed oils, volatile oils, resins, gums, etc. So they contain a mixture of various constituents. However, pure isolated compounds do not come under this category because these are simply, you can say, extract, which has been extracted, is containing a mixture of constituents. Now, what are herbal medicinal products or the finished herbal products? They are the medicinal products which contain exclusive herbal drugs or herbal drug preparation which are made from one or more herbs. They may contain the excipients in addition to the active ingredients. Now, the sources of drug, so the herbal drugs can be obtained from two sources, wild source or the cultivated source. So, let us see what are wild source. The plants that are obtained from the wild sources such as forest, plains, riverbanks means they are occurring or they are growing as such. They are growing wildly. We are not growing them, they are growing by themselves. Obtaining herbs from wild source is very economical, less time consuming, decreased cost of labor. However, it also offers various disadvantages such as quality of the plants cannot be predicted due to various environmental changes. So because the various environmental changes, the climate is changing, the temperature, the sunlight, the rainfall, all these variations are there. So due to these variations, the chemical constituents change, the concentration, the type of the constituents get changed. So obviously the therapeutic value also changes. The plants will not be uniform in their growth and yielding characteristics just due to the environmental changes, then modern scientific techniques cannot be applied to increase the yield as well as quality because these are growing widely. We are not cultivating them. So, if the plants are obtained continuously from wild source for prolonged periods, it may lead to depletion of raw materials from the wild. So, there are a lot of disadvantages in obtaining the drugs from the wild source. Let us have a look at the cultivated source. So, in recent times, medicinal plants have been systematically cultivated by applying the modern scientific techniques. So, there are a lot of advantages when we are cultivating the plants for the medicinal purposes. What are those advantages? Let us have a look. First of all, the quality and purity is assured. Okay, because we have grown it under our choice, means that we have provided the suitable environment that is required, so quality and purity is ensured. It gives us a better yield and more profit, ensures regular supply of raw materials. Then application of modern scientific techniques is possible here. Crop planning can be done, means ensuring regular supply of raw materials to the industry. Then application of scientific techniques, for example, the tissue culture, genetic engineering, hybridization, and germplasm. So all these techniques can be applied to the cultivated plants. So that's all about the introduction to herbal medicine. Thank you.